Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I apply this eyelid tape. I did post it on my Facebook Lash group page that I follow, and a lot of you guys wanted to know exactly how it's used. First of all, you can go and get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below, but it's the Scala Pro 600 piece, and it's Korean eyelid tape, I believe, and what they use it for initially is for girls that have like a monolid. They can give themselves like a automatic crease, and it's for makeup. And anyway, so it comes like this. Hopefully it's focusing. It comes like this, and it comes like very conveniently. Well, kinda, you can tear off the little piece, and it comes with 2 pieces, but this also is 4 pieces. So this one piece right here cuts into 2, so it's kind of perfect. So what I use it for, everybody was kind of asking like, what do you mean inner corners? I call it my inner corner tape. I do have a video on the other tapes that I do use. It's linked down below, or it's one of the videos that I have recently, and I'm going to show you here on my little client, my daughter. Why'd the light just go off? On my daughter, I'm going to show you. She's going to be a little, what is it called? Little helper today. And you need a brow wax, girlfriend. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I use it. I'm obviously not gonna apply any eyelashes on her. And hopefully this is in focus, because it's really hard to film like this, but we're trying to work it out. I don't know, hopefully the lighting's okay. Anyway, so go ahead and turn this way, kid. So I'm gonna have her turn so I can show you exactly what I mean. Now, I'm off, and I kind of should show you how I apply. Let me just go ahead and show you how I apply all the tapes that I use. First of all, I did sanitize my hands, and then I did cleanse her face. You always want to make sure that they don't have any makeup on, and my little girl is a little oily turtle, and so I like went ahead and toned her, because if you don't tone, the tape won't stick, and that would suck. So I'm going to take these gel pads. Everything will be linked down below. If you watch my previous videos, I have pretty much all of this linked. So these are the gel pads that I use, and what I do is I don't put these near the eye, because a lot of people have reactions to them, or they can, or they just irritate the eye. They do have collagen and aloe, so you don't really want to get them. A lot of people do like to use them like right next to to hold down the lashes. I don't go near it. So go ahead and turn straight again. So I'm going to show you, go ahead and open your eyes, and then I just apply it to the bottom. So you see it's nowhere near her eye. If she talks or anything, it won't move up. It shouldn't move up. So I just apply it because honestly, the only reason why I still even use these gel pads, because you're using tools around the eyes. So I like to have a little extra cushion to not poke them or your eyes. And then I go in with my wonderful Next Care tape. This stuff is amazing. It's sensitive, and this can go near the eye. It does not have any extra product. It's basically silicone tape. It doesn't go, I put it near the eyelashes. This is what I hold the bottom lashes down with. And I just take a piece, rip it in half, and then I have them look up. So turn this way so that they can see more better. And I usually have the lights off, but right now obviously we're filming a video. So let me see, go ahead and look up. And I always start from the outer corner. And I try to tug their eye open. Open your eye and look up. Try to help them, try to open your eye. And so I tape the bottom. I just go this way, whichever way you want to go. And then again, have them look up, and you want to get all the inner corner hairs, and then you just tape here, and then you have them close. And is that comfortable? Mm-hmm. You always ask if it's comfortable. You don't want it to cut their eye or anything. I do also use microfoam tape on certain clients. Like here, I feel like she could fit a piece of microfoam. Some people have it. It just doesn't work for everybody. So if you want a video on that tape, let me know, but we're just gonna do the basics here. And as you can see, you just want to make sure to open the lid and make sure all the bottom lashes are down, because you don't want to get those stuck. And if you are having trouble, like she kind of has a small gap, what I do with those type of clients is I grab some of this micro port, and if I sound muffly, it's because I have a face mask on. I just always do around clients. And I just go ahead, when they have their eye closed, I shove it down there. And obviously don't get it near to where, you know, it's gonna bother them. Do you feel like it's bothering you? No. Like anything's poking your eye? Mm-mm. Okay, so there I have her ready. Probably should have done this side. So there she's ready. As you can see, when I open her eye, there's nothing being shoved into her eyelid. And like I said, you don't want this gel pad because it can cause bruising and burn and all that stuff. So what video was I even? Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to use the inner corner tape, and we're just going to go ahead and grab a piece. So what I do usually is I take this tape because it's tougher and it holds on the skin nicely and it doesn't rip the brows or anything. So what I do is I tape it off at the end, like I make a little tab and I rip it in half, and I use this for the outer corner or the middle, pretty much whatever side I'm working on. I just apply it near the lid, like the outer lid, and then I gently, hopefully you guys can see, then I just gently pull up so that the lashes can open and spread out, and then they're just so much easier to see. And that's how I usually do it, and I'll move this tape around if I have to. And then I go in with this because the inner corners, they're so hard to see. So let me see if I can get a little closer. Okay, so I'm gonna try to show you here. I don't know how the lighting is. Turn a little this way. Yeah, so hopefully that's as good as it's gonna get. So I try to adjust the camera so you can see a little bit better. I know it's still hard to see. Give me some time. I will pick an angle that's really great. I'll try to, I don't know, move my room around so I can film better. But anyway, so what we want to do is, it's hard to see these inner corner lashes. It's really hard to get in there. So this is where I go in with my inner corner tape, which is this one. And I go ahead and grab a piece. And then I just rip it in half, or you can use the whole thing in itself. If it comes off together, then just go ahead and use it. So I place it kind of on the inner corner, tap it down, and like I said, their skin has to be clean. This tape, it's really good actually that this tape is made for the eyelid, so it works perfect. Like I said, you can cut it in half or you don't have to. And then you just tape it to the inner corner, and as you pull, you see how the lashes open up and they just are easier to see. You tape it down where you need it, and there you go. And the eyelashes are a little bit more spread out, and they're easier to get in there. They're easier to get the tweezers in there, and you can see every little single hair. So that's how I use the eyelid tape. And you can just pull as much as you need to. It's not going to hurt them. Just make sure to always ask if they're comfortable. You can just see every little single baby inner corner hair. It just pulls everything out. So I mean, yeah, that's the reason why I use it. That's why I call it my inner corner tape, and it's made for the eyes and especially for the eyelid. So why not, right? So this is how it looks. It's really cute. It comes in a little heart-shaped container. Yeah, so that is it, guys. This tape removes really, really easily. Did that hurt at all? And you just peel everything away, throw it in the trash, and we're good to go. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more. Leave it in the comments down below what you want to see, and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and if it was helpful. We'll see you in my next video. Bye. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.